Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making delicious shrimp chow mein. That's better than takeout, quick and easy, so let's get started. Okay, for the main ingredients to make our delicious shrimp chow mein, we have one large onion here. We're probably going to only use maybe a quarter of that because it's so big. And over here we have a stick of celery we're going to slice up, and 4 nice green onions, right? And up here we have about a cup of sliced carrots, julienne style. And back here we have our Shin Ramyun noodles. Let me see if I can show you the package. Okay, and there's going to be 2 packs. And up here we have our Chow bean sprouts. It's about a 14-ounce can. We might only use half of that. And back here we have 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Okay, let me show you the shrimp. They're extra large shrimp and they're already cooked and peeled. Yep, and they're really nice. And this is going to be quick and easy. We just have to fry these up and season the taste and we're good to go. Alright, let me put these back. Okay, let me put some of this aside. Okay, let's go ahead and cut up our onion. Look at the size of that. It's like a softball. Okay, let's just cut the ends off and we'll get what we want out of there, maybe a quarter of it. Okay, I'm going to put this half away. Okay, now let's go ahead and cut this in half again, and that'll be like a quarter, right? Okay, and we'll go ahead and put that away. Okay, let's see if we can peel this. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and slice that up. Okay, now let's take the time to, break them up. And we'll go ahead and put them in a bowl. Okay, there you have it, our nice onions all sliced up nice, and we broke them up. Okay, let's put these aside. Okay, let's just go ahead and chop up our green onions and we'll slice them up nice. Okay, let me get the bottoms off here real quick. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and slice them lengthwise right here in the big part there, just like that. And we'll do all of them. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut them into about 2-inch sections, just like this. That looks pretty good. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to keep the green leafy part separate. And we're going to go ahead and put them on a little plate. Okay, there you have it, our nice green onion. Yep, it's the leafy part. And we're going to probably put them in there, later on when we're cooking. So let's put these aside for now. Okay, now we're going to bring back our nice onion that we just sliced up. Yep. And we're going to take our green onion, the stem part, and we'll put them right in there. They look nice already. Okay, let's put this aside again. Okay, now we're going to slice up our nice celery. Yeah, now you can cut these any way you want. I like to cut them in like nice strips, so let's do that. Let's cut it down the middle here, because it's a big one. Okay, and we'll go ahead and cut them in the strips like. Okay, and we'll do this one. Okay, there you go. They look nice. Okay, let's go ahead and bring back our bowl of nice vegetables that we sliced up, and we'll go ahead and put our celery right in there. Okay, there it is right there. All our nice vegetables all cut up. Now we can go ahead and put our nice carrots in there. You know, the ones we sliced up julienne style. Put them in there. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and put our sliced vegetables aside, and we'll bring in our nice shrimp. Look at them. Don't they look nice? Now they're already pre-cooked, like I said, and they're deveined, and you can peel the tails off, you know, like I did. And it really is good. It's already cooked, so all you have to do is really warm these up. Now we have to flavor them though, because they don't come pre-seasoned really, you know. So let's go ahead and make a nice shrimp marinade for these. And you would do the same if you had like fresh shrimp, you know, uncooked. You would be making a marinade just like this. Now we're going to take a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of brown sugar or white sugar, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Right? Now you can use white pepper if you want. I happen to have black pepper here, and it works just as good. Let's put that in there. Now we're going to add about a teaspoon of sesame seed oil. Put that in there. And we'll go ahead and mix that up. Okay, they look good. Really nice. Okay. Okay, let's put our shrimp aside for a minute. And we're going to go ahead and make our nice chow mein sauce. We're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, and about 1/2 teaspoon of brown sugar. Put that in there. Okay, let's mix it up. Okay, that looks good. Okay, now let's start cooking. Now we're going to go ahead and cook up our Shin Ramyun noodles. So we have here a nice pot of boiling water, and we're going to put a little sea salt in that. Then we're going to take our Shin Ramyun noodles and we're going to put them right in there. Okay, now we went ahead and put the other pack of Shin Ramyun noodles in there. So there's 2 packs of Shin Ramyun noodles. So let's just go ahead and cook these up real nicely, and we don't want them too soft, you know. We want them just right, so keep an eye on them. Okay, mix them up a little, break them up. Okay, they're looking good already. Okay. Okay, we'll let them go a little bit longer, and they should be almost done. Okay, our noodles are done. Let's just go ahead and shut off our burner, and let's get them out of there. Okay guys, there they are. Our noodles are real nice. Okay guys, let's go ahead and put them in a bowl. Okay, now we're going to add a little bit of oil in there to keep them from sticking. and stir them up. Okay, and we'll put them aside. Okay, now we're going to take our nice cast iron skillet. Yep, we love our cast iron skillet, right? Okay, we're going to set our burner to medium high, and we'll let our pan get nice and hot, and then we'll go ahead and add our oil. Okay, our pan seems hot enough. Let's just go ahead and add some oil. Okay, then we'll go ahead and take our nice shrimp. Boy, don't they look good? All right, let's put them in there. Okay, let's flip them over and see how we're doing. Looking good. Okay, when the shrimp is a nice color like that, just go ahead and add your minced garlic in there. Put it right in there. Stir fry that up. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and add all our nice vegetables in there. Put them right in there. Give them a nice mix. Now we're going to add a little bit of rice wine. Put that in there. Now when the rice wine cooks off, okay, now let's go ahead and add a little bit of our chow mein sauce. Put that in there. Okay, let's shut off our burner and let's get them out of there because they're done. Okay, there you go. They're done and they look really good. Okay, let's just go ahead and put these aside for now. Okay, now let's go ahead and set our burner to medium high. And our pan is still nice and hot, so let's just go ahead and put some oil in there. And we'll take our nice Shin ramen noodles and we'll go ahead and put them right in there. And we'll mix them up. Get them nice and hot. They're still pretty hot, but we want them to get nice and hot. Okay, let's just go ahead and add the rest of our chow mein sauce. Put that right in there. Mix that up. Get a nice even color. Okay, let's use a wooden spoon. Makes less noise, you know. Okay. Okay, once you got your noodles, the nice even color like this, you can go ahead and add back in your nice shrimp and all your vegetables. Put them right in there. And because our bean sprouts are canned, you know, we could fry them up, you know, beforehand, but, you know, they're soft, so we'll put them in now. And we'll give that a mix. Okay, that looks good. Now we're going to go ahead and add the leafy part of our green onions, put them in there. Give that a light mix. Okay, that's about done, and boy, does that smell good. All right, let's just go ahead and shut off our burner, and we'll get ready to have a taste test. Let's plate that up and have a nice taste test. Okay, let's do that. Okay guys, here it is. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? That's our delicious shrimp chow mein recipe, and it's better than Takeout. You can count on that because look at all those shrimp. Takeout never had this many shrimp. And boy, does it smell good. And I bet it tastes even better. So let's just go ahead and have a taste because I can't wait any longer. It smells too good. Okay, let's have a taste. All right, maybe we'll get one of these. Okay, look at that. Can you see it? Look at that shrimp on there and all that good stuff. All right, let's just go ahead and have a bite because that is beautiful. Wow, that shrimp is really tender and it's done perfectly. And the noodles are perfect. Look at all the onions and the carrots and those green onions in there and the bean sprouts. Yeah, this is really going to be good. Now this will serve, you know, maybe 4 people, at least 4, because that's a lot to eat right here. Okay, just go ahead and make it for your guests because they'll love it. Just go ahead and divide it up into 4 and they'll really enjoy this. You know, serve it with your favorite beverage and you're good to go. Speaking of beverage, you know what I'm going to have with this since I'm having it for dinner? Yep, I'm going to have a nice cold wobble pop with this one. Doesn't that sound good? Okay. Alright guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe and I'll catch you on the next one. Delicious shrimp chow mein. And it's definitely better than Takeout. That's what's for dinner tonight. That sounds good. Is that good?